Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to block websites in Safari or Google Chrome or when you're using the internet on your phone. So for this to happen, you go to settings. Also, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And what you're going to do now is you're going to look for screen time. As you can see here, click on it. And now you're going to scroll down until you see the red icon and content and privacy restrictions. Click on it and then make sure you have the first one enabled, the content and privacy restrictions. And then you're gonna look for, let me check, content restrictions, the third one. So now you're gonna click on the web content. And as you can see here, I enabled the check mark on unrestricted, so everything is allowed with me. But I can also click on limit adult websites, and now I can never allow a website, for example, www.facebook.com, for example. And now it is that. And how I can delete it is just slide to the right, slide to the left and click on delete. And so I can go on and add more websites that are not allowed to and block websites. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.